Going over the trading system signals on the day, we traded EVP-1. We traded only this strategy. The stock index portfolio 18 traded mini strategies. It was minus 74.15 per E-mini, minus 22.24 per micro, or trading 2 micros. So the position sizing that we're trading in right now in 2023 is 1 micro per 1 micro per 25K, 2 micros per 50K, 1 E-mini per 250K, and so we traded just EVP-1 today. We are waiting for a drawdown. This is what the portfolio calculator looks like as of Friday at an equity peak in this current portfolio setup, and you can see that no drawdown as of Friday. Today you have a $7,400 drawdown to start the year out, so 15K from a worst case drawdown. You can see the drawdown curve here, and very cyclical nature. And one of the things we're looking at tomorrow is FOMC minutes, which have been really choppy. So after tomorrow, if FOMC minutes are choppy, then it could be a good time to get in on Wednesday. And so, or actually Thursday. Today is Tuesday, first trading day of the week. Yesterday was a holiday, and we traded EVP-1. It's the only strategy that we traded today in this setup. We thought we might get a repeat from Friday. We sent out an email over the weekend, or not an email, but actually email and a video talking about EVP-1 Long Only and how this is one of our favorite approaches. It's not really a prediction that the market's going to go up, but a strategy to capture the moves if it does. Today, I thought that was a great entry. I thought the market, it's just surprising to me it didn't follow through. It's almost like it was just contentious against our trade. But it did that on Friday. Today, went up, kept pulling back, like it could rally, pull back, like it rally, pull back, like it rally, pull back, hit our stop, and then it's finishing the day right here. And so, very volatile day, gap up, continuation, reverse, and then a rolling bottom formation right here near Friday's middle median price, I guess, of this price action. So I thought we might get another rally today like we did on Friday, and it looked like we almost did, but we did not. So minus 725 on EVP-1 to start, or real time minus 745 on the E-mini, minus 150 on the micro, and so we dodged this loss right here because we were waiting for. We typically wait for a worst case drawdown when we're starting, and it's at equity peaks. Because you see the cyclical nature of this, it had 4 out of 6 days where it hit equity peaks, the current portfolio, and so typically these portfolios are cyclical. It goes from hot streaks to cold streaks, from hot streaks to cold streaks, and so we don't want to get in right on a peak and then endure the cold streak. And so we did trade EVP-1. We did go through this one loss today on EVP-1, and we'll continue to trade it tomorrow. FOMC minutes, and last year FOMC minutes were a terrible day to trade, and so we'll see how that plays out tomorrow. Sometimes those type of patterns mean revert. It could be very trendy tomorrow, but the market, it continues to surprise me. I keep thinking the market's going to go down, or continue to it's going to rally because of liquidity and the seasonality, but it can't follow through to the upside, and it can't follow through to the downside either. So if it fails going up, it doesn't roll over and go down, and so it's just choppy right now for the first trading day of the year, of the month, and of the week. And so I anticipate more chop tomorrow on FOMC minutes, but we'll see. Let's look at the rest of the trading system signals today on the stock index portfolio. 18 AT 2022 was at an equity peak at the end of the year, down today. AT 2020, same thing, it was an equity peak, down today. Viper 2021 up on the day, and tick count trend down on the day. Tick pullback had several losses. This market looked like it was going to rally several times. Had 3 losses. So rallied there, stopped out, rallied there, stopped out, rallied there, stopped out. This strategy was ready to take a long trade and no follow through on any of those long trade opportunities. Tick reversal had a nice short winner and then a short loser, but was up net on the day. This winner was bigger than that loser. So gains on the day there. And so EVP-1, we've already gone over that. Down on the day on EVP-1. Let's look at S&P. We had tick wave, take the long trade here, get stopped out. So those are the trades on the day. Because we were at an equity peak, we just picked one system that had the best potential, and it managed our risk and reduced our risk. And tomorrow we'll do the same thing. Staying with EVP-1, 1 E-mini per 250K, 1 micro for 25K, and take the EVP trades until we are in a little bit steeper drawdown, maybe 12 to 15K drawdown, and then we'll step in and add additional strategies. So looking for chop tomorrow on FOMC Minutes, which are the minutes from the previous FOMC meeting. So those are the trades on the day for the first trading day of the year, January the 3rd, 2023.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.